Number 35. Safed Blanc Gymnasium School, English teacher Mirboboyeva M. The theme, nature. Good morning, dear children. Today the theme, nature. We learn and save it. We know well that most words in the language have many, often different meanings. For example, left is a past form of leave, and it is one of our hands. When we read or hear the word nature, we may connect this form with several ideas or notions. The word nature may express the whole universe, physical world, simple life, or generally a person or a thing. In one word, nature is a word which expresses a number of nations. What is we can pronounce a word and think of many notions. This is a natural thing in every language. English word nature of Latin origin from natura. In Kyrgyz we use the word tabiat, which is of Arabic origin and means all things reality. The every plants, the every trees, every vegetables, fruits, grass, flowers, it's all things nature. There are many word combinations and phrases with nature in English language. For example, human nature, good or ill nature, nature study, in nature, by nature, to easy nature, and so on. We often hear or read, it is the nature of a dog to beg, or he is lazy by nature. In one word, nature is a very wide field to speak and read about. Dear children, today the theme our nature. We love our nature and save it. Dear children, your homework to write and to retell about nature and to learn glossary. Today the English lesson is over. See you next lesson.